Okay, flame photometry is an instrumental method that can be used to identify ions. Before we look at the methods, let's explain what this means. So this is a bit like a flame test that you will have seen and carried out in class yourself. Photometry is, photo means light, and the metry bit means we're measuring. So we're looking at measuring the amount of light that's been generated by what's called an instrumental flame analysis. Okay, that's what we're doing. And there's two ways, as I said. This is the first way. First way, we use a calibration curve, as you can see here. And we will use the calibration curve to find the concentration of ions in an unknown solution. And to do this, all we have to do is get our sample of the ions in solution, and it has to have varying degrees of concentration. You see here the concentration is increasing, but these are known concentrations. We know how much of the ion is present in each solution. You would run this through the flame photometer, and it would give you a level of light intensity for each of the concentrations. And from that, you would draw your calibration curve. Okay? What this means you can now do is you come along with an unknown sample, and you would measure the light intensity from that sample, and then you would take that reading back to the calibration curve, and you would work out the concentration that you had present in the sample. For example, if I had a concentration of, light intensity of 7, I would find 7 here as my reading. I would take a line and draw a line all the way back to the calibration curve, which is here, and then I would take a line all the way down, and you can see, just doing it very roughly, that this is sitting halfway between 0.03 and 0.04 grams per decimeter cubed, in this case, of potassium ion. So it's going to be 0.035 grams per decimeter cubed of potassium ions, just using the calibration curve to find that out.